Hello. Go ahead, tin this wire real quick and show you my little slide method. Again, maybe this one will show a little better. Don't need a lot. Clean your iron. Nice shiny tip. Now remember, you don't need a lot of wire sticking out. I'm going to trim this a hair just because it's a little long. Now hopefully you'll be able to see and nothing will be in the way. I don't do this. I don't press down because I can't keep the wire on top of it. It jumps around, it moves around. So I just heat it up and melt it in. It ain't going nowhere. And it's concealed. So there you go. Hopefully you've seen it. Maybe I'll do it again. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. You might learn something. You may not. Don't matter to me. I just like having fun. Invest in a pair of these nice wire strippers. Huh, they're so nice. These are Klein tools. Not supported by them, not affiliated with them. Just saying that's what I use. These flux pins are awesome. So much better than the paste and the wax or whatever. Okay, those ones are good. Not too long. Hold it on the edge. Come in here, melt it, and melt it right in. Beautiful. One more time, and I want to try it the press way, the way I don't like, just because. And watch it work perfect for me. That'd be my luck. Here, this is why I don't like this way. It worked perfect. And don't be afraid to use flux. It helps. It really does. See, I can't get it to stay on top too well. See, yeah, I just don't like that press method. Sorry, take it and shove it. I don't care what you say about my method. I don't care. I just found a different way to do it that works great for me. So, see you, bye. Peace out.